most of the time we don't get this kind of credits because we work in the back end, right? Be it Lion King, be it Transformers, a lot of movies that we worked, right? I was the first Lion King and Jungle Book, I was the asset supervisor.
Oh.
And the last one, he was the asset supervisor and he was the comm supervisor for both Transformers and Lion King. So not necessarily people get to hear things like this, right? Or we don't necessarily talk about it because one after one we are getting into new projects, we are busy doing things. So I think it's very rare that we kind of get celebrated this way. So thank you so much for people like you to kind of come and appreciate what we are doing and then recognizing us. Yeah.
अभी आप बोल रहे ना मेरे goosebumps आ जाएंगे.
So this is endless actually to speak on this movie.
Yes.
Which is again the tiger, the loris, the wild boar, bisons, every single animals that you see in the movie.
Except
we don't want to talk about that here.
Not that easy to get the same Hollywood quality stuff actually. So this is an benchmark or an example to the industry where you can see the Hollywood quality on a domestic movies.
Standard and thing for India will enhance once people start seeing movies like Kantara, right? Kind of budgets they had. So obviously VFX is not a cheap process.
Lion King, Jungle Book, Transformers, Ant-Man, Superman, Pirates of the Caribbean.
हाय गाइस, फिल्म फ्यूल में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। दोस्तों, जो थिएटर में जो मैजिक चल रहा है ना इस वक्त, जिसका नाम है कांतारा चैप्टर 1, ये जो फिल्म है ना, इसने गूज बम्प्स का जो एक्सपीरियंस है ना उसे हमें महसूस कराया है। सारे के सारे जो पैरामीटर्स है उसे क्रॉस करते हुए इस फिल्म ने सभी को मंत्रमुग्ध कर दिया है। और बताओ, इस फिल्म के अंदर जो भी VFX है, CGI आपने देखे हैं, जो रियलिस्टिक हो रही है, दुनिया भर से जो तारीफ़ें मिल रही हैं, वो भी लाजवाब है। और मैं आपको बता दूँ, उस VFX को फिल्म के अंदर जो एनिमल्स है, चाहे वो टाइगर हो, चाहे वो लॉरेस हो, या फिर कोई भी डरावने कुछ भी आप देख रहे हो, ज़्यादातर जो एनिमल के जो शॉट्स देख रहे हो, उसे बनाने में किसी और का नहीं, किसी फॉरेन VFX कंपनी का नहीं, बल्कि हमारे खुद वेरी ओन इंडियन फर्म का हाथ है, हमारे इंडियन VFX आर्टिस्ट का हाथ है। और इस वक्त मेरे साथ वही मौजूद है। ये सारे के सारे मैं आपको बता दूँ, एक हिसाब से बिहाइंड द सीन जो हीरो कहे जाते हैं वो है। तो सबसे पहले चलिए हम इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं इन्हें। सबसे पहले थैंक यू सो मच निमिश, मैं इनको जानता हूँ पर्सनली, निमिश, एंड ही इज़ द वन ऑफ द को फाउंडर्स
of Zebu FX.
तो Zebu FX नाम की जो कंपनी है दोस्तों, इन्होंने ही कांतारा चैप्टर 1 का करिश्मा जो है हमारे सामने पेश किया है और हमें रियलिस्टिक लगाने पर मजबूर कर दिया है। और भी हमारे साथ टीम मेंबर्स हैं, उनका भी इंट्रोडक्शन लेते हैं। शंकर जी, आप अपने बारे में बताएं।
Hi everyone, I'm Shankar. I'm one of the co-founder and the creative director for Zebu FX.
Yeah.
Nice to meet everyone.
Please introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Subhashish. I'm the head of asset and art director in Zebu FX.
Yes.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಸಂದೇಶ್. ಐ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಟೂಡಿ ಸೂಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್.
ओके, तो आपने जान लिया, समझ लिया, ये जो है मेन पिलर्स हैं दोस्तों कांतारा चैप्टर 1 को आपको रियलिस्टिक दिखाने के लिए। जो भी VFX के जो भी पार्ट हैं ज़्यादातर, तो आपने लायन किंग जैसी फिल्में देखी होंगी, या फिर और भी कौन सी फिल्में हैं बड़ी?
Lion King, Jungle Book, Transformers, Ant-Man, Superman, Pirates of the Caribbean, Ghost in the Shell. There's a lot more.
The list is long. The list is long दोस्तों। और जो आप है ना बड़ी तबीयत से जो हॉलीवुड की जो फिल्में देखने जाते हो बड़े पर्दे पर, और जो इन्जॉय करते हो ना, उनको एक इन्हांस वे में पेश करने का जो सबसे बड़ा हाथ है ना, इनका ही है दोस्तों। ये जो है इंडस्ट्री के सबसे बड़े आर्टिस्ट कहे जा सकते हैं, या फिर जिन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की है। और अब हमारे इंडियन स्टार्टअप, हमारे इंडियन VFX कंपनी के तहत कुछ इन्होंने नया किया है, और जो नया किया है वो तहलका मचा रही है। कांतारा चैप्टर 1 के बारे में सबसे पहले दोस्तों बात करेंगे, किस हिसाब से कमाल कर रही है। सबसे पहले मैं आप सभी से जानना चाहूँगा, जिस हिसाब से ट्रेमेंडस रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है इस फिल्म का, उस पर आपका क्या मानना है? निमिश जी, सबसे पहले मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा।
तो बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है शायद कंतारा चैप्टर 1 को. I think they've already crossed more than 200-250 crores
Yes.
as of today.
256 crores.
256
net.
crores in net, yeah.
Ah.
So they're getting a very good response. I think the director Rishabh as well was super happy with the kind of response the VFX is also getting. So he had called our VFX soap Jatan yesterday. He was praising that a lot. So yeah, I mean we are really really happy with the response the VFX is especially getting with this movie.
Okay, Shankar ji, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I mean, very thrilled, very excited. Because
Nimis has disclosed you guys have done tiger sequences, Lawrence sequences.
yeah, we were fortunate enough to be part of a project like this because we started this project back in MPC. That was the previous company that we all fortunate to work, and that's where we started the Tiger and then the Lores. And then for whatever reasons that we had to start Zebu FX, and then when we started again, we were fortunate enough to get that work back to Zebu, and then we managed to continue the work that was done earlier in MPC. Which was again the tiger, the loris, the wild boar, bisons, every single animals that you see in the movie.
Except
we,
one.
we don't want to talk about that here.
Okay.
I mean, very, very excited because not only the VFX part of the project, I mean, technically it's a marvel, right? I mean, everybody talks about the way it turned up, right? Be it the camera, be it the set. I think creatively it's one of the best movie that people could go and watch today. Being part of that movie today, I think it's a privilege for us. And then I think as a new startup, just formed 6 months back, we managed to pull
Formed 6 months back.
6 months back.
And how much time is that it has taken for creating this something great in
I mean,
Kantara?
for us, we just had 5 to 6 months to
5
pull
to 6
everything.
months. मतलब
Yeah.
कंपनी शुरुआत हुई और वहाँ से कांतारा चैप्टर 1 का ब्लॉकबस्टर ये जो प्रोडक्ट है, ये जो एक हिसाब से बहुत कुछ है, बेबी है, चाइल्ड है,
Yeah.
वो निकल कर आ गया.
Yeah. So it was a very thrilling, exciting, the same time very difficult journey to go through. Because like I said, some of those sequences were set in MPC, which was an international studio, and taking that part and then continuing the legacy. And then making sure that the director and then the DOP is happy with the product that we are sending back to them was the most challenging part of it, right? Because the studio, the original studio, which is MPC, where we were all working, it's a multi-million Oscar-winning huge facility. From there, when we had to start this, it was just not only challenging, it was also a pride moment, right? Because we could continue to have that legacy for the Indian market. Because working with a studio like MPC, that's not everyone can do. Yeah, because it's an expensive place, and then starting something here in India as a startup, which means we can serve more to the market here in India with the same quality that was given by an international studio. So that way, yeah, very, very excited as a creative group. What else that we need to start our company here in Bangalore?
जो MPC था वहाँ पर एक ऑलरेडी एक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर होगा और उसके तहत काम करने में आसानी होगी. यहाँ पर एक नया पूरा का पूरा आपका एनवायरनमेंट है, नया इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, उसमें आपको इस काम को एग्जीक्यूट करने में कितना डिफ़िकल्टी क्या फेस करना पड़ा?
It was really difficult because, as you know, MPC was a huge studio having multiple branches across the world, and it was a very established studio for many years. So the main challenge was to have similar kind or even better output in such a short time. It was really challenging, but we were really fortunate to have so many talented individuals, and we could create the pipeline. We could set up the pipeline in such a short time and deliver this kind of a quality.
Right.
I mean, somehow I feel that we are really lucky to be part of such a landmark movie, and this movie is really special. I mean, I don't think without a divine intervention this would have been possible.
Divine intervention. From,
That's what I feel.
From whom?
I mean, this
From
movie.
the whole story. From the
This
whole
movie is
crew and
divine.
cast?
This movie is divine.
Okay.
And without a divine intervention, this kind of a grouping, this kind of setting up of pipeline in such a short time and delivering, I don't think it would have been possible. So
I think it's not divine. Also, it's all the producers, as director Rishabh, the DOP, and also
everything came
everyone came together and then
in a
said,
proper place.
okay, Zeebo can deliver this. After they saw the first output coming out of Zeebo, right? So they were like
उनका
confidence.
भरोसा था आप
हाँ, टीम पे था. हाँ,
टीम पे
हमारे पे टीम पे था. And then
और उनका मैं आपको बता दूं, to be very I'm telling you, Rishabh Shetty is working from last 5 years. Sweat, blood, चोट लगना, पैर पर मोच आना, बहुत कुछ हुआ है, और अपने इस तरह के प्रोजेक्ट के लिए आप पर भरोसा करना और आपने जो उस भरोसे को आपने इम्प्लीमेंट किया, सही साबित किया, ये बड़ी बात है. ये बड़ी बात है, मैं आपको बता दूं. और ये जो चीज़ है ना, दुनिया नोटिस करने वाली है अभी. दुनिया नोटिस करें. हालांकि दुनिया जो है पहले से नोटिस करती आ रही थी, लेकिन आपको नहीं जानती थी. हम जो लायन किंग बोल रहे हैं, आपने जो बोला लायन किंग,
scenes, not many people knew that India was also contributing so much to that international project. So I mean, now they'll see like what kind of teams are coming out. It's not only like in Zeebo, right? I'm sure there'll be different. They've gone all over the country now, right? That same artists, there were like 1,500 to 2,000 of them. So you'll see the change happening all over India for sure. So
राइट. सो गाइस, मैं आपको बता दूं, ये जो आपने जितनी भी बड़ी बड़ी जो हॉलीवुड की फिल्में देखी हैं, अलग अलग किस्म के आपने VFX देखे हैं, वो हमारे इंडियन टैलेंट्स है ना, उनके द्वारा, उनकी मेहनत है. मैं आपको बता दूं, उनकी मेहनत है. लेकिन अब यहाँ पर प्राउडली वी कैन से येस, दिस इज़ आवर वेरी ओन इंडियन कंपनी, इंडियन फर्म, एंड थ्रू दैट वी आर डिलीवरिंग सच काइंड ऑफ इन्हांस्ड VFX जो आपको रियलिस्टिक लगती है, जो आपके रोंगटे खड़े कर देती है. मेरे साथ एक और हैं, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट की मेंबर हैं इस टीम के. मैं आपका भी रिएक्शन जानना चाहूँगा. ये जो सारे के सारे एसेट बनकर आए हैं और उसमें उसको एक्युमुलेट करने का आपका बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट रोल होता है. आप बताइए, आपके लिए क्या चैलेंजेस रहे और एक्साइटमेंट कितना रहा?
Sir, this is a very, it was not easy. When MPC in the now Zeebo Bandmele, it was not that easy to get the same Hollywood quality stuff actually. So this is an benchmark or an example to the industry where, you can see the Hollywood quality on a domestic movies. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
I think this is the game changing, this is a turning point.
Exactly. I assure you that, 100%.
We can say that. We can see that.
Yeah, we can see the roar and the scream in theater, sir. It is so nice to see that. How many times you have watched the movie?
I have watched 4 times, guys.
4 times.
4 times I have watched, and to witness the cinematic experience, I have watched in the different formats and in different environments. चाहे वो आप संतोष थिएटर ले लो, 1200 सीटिंग कैपेसिटी जो फुल्ली हाउसफुल है, वहाँ पर जो स्क्रीमिंग हो रही है उसके साथ देखना हो, या फिर 2D IMAX हो, या फिर PXL हो. मुझे PXL में बहुत अच्छा लगा है. PXL का जो वर्जन होता है उसमें बहुत अच्छा लगा है. प्लीज़ कंटिन्यू प्लीज़. अभी आप बोल रहे ना, मेरे गूज़बम्प्स आ जाएंगे.
So this is endless actually to speak on this movie.
Yes.
Sir, it was mind blowing actually. Every artist has put so much of effort to get the same quality of an Hollywood in Kantara, and the praise goes to the artist. They were humbled and they were very creative in the work. It went very well, and high praise from the director, DOP. That is something, sir, that is very important to all of us actually. So the next project will be better goosebumps for you.
Yes. And at the same time, the same team is doing international projects too, right? Right now.
yeah, we are pitching on some international work, but right now it's all domestic.
All domestic. Wow. So we can say जो पहले हम जो इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में जो हॉलीवुड की जो फिल्में हम देख रहे थे, उसमें इंडियन टैलेंट्स का बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल हुआ करता था. लाइक IT में हम देखते हैं ना, इंडियन टैलेंट्स होते हैं, इसी तरह हमारे VFX की फील्ड में हमारे इंडियन टैलेंट्स का बहुत ही बड़ा हाथ है. और इंटरनेशनली वो सारे के सारे एक्सेप्टेड अक्लेम्ड फिल्म्स है गाइस. लेकिन यहाँ पर डोमेस्टिक फिल्म्स में ये जो टैलेंट्स जो थे, किसी ना किसी कारण से, या फिर वो बजट हो सकता है, टाइम हो सकता है, या फिर जो एग्जीक्यूशन होता है, इसकी वजह से हमारे इम्पॉर्टेंट जो टैलेंट्स है वो कोलैबोरेट नहीं कर पा रहे थे. लेकिन अब क्योंकि अब डोमेस्टिक मार्केट्स में अब ये आ चुके हैं, तो आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ से कितना जो लेवल है हमारे VFX का, हमारे कंटेंट का कितना ज़्यादा इन्हांस होने वाला है, कितना रियलिस्टिक होने वाला है. कांतारा चैप्टर 1 is a turning point for Indian cinema. I'm saying, continuously I'm saying, and it has really enhanced the cinematic viewing experience also. और उसका सबसे बड़ा श्रेय अगर किसी को जाता है, ऑफ कोर्स ऋषभ शेट्टी को जाता है, उनकी टीम को जाता है, लेकिन आपको भी जाता है. स्पेशली जो टाइगर का जो सीक्वेंस आता है, ओ माय गॉड, दुनिया स्पेशली जो क्रिटिक्स हैं हमारे इंडिया के, वेदर इट्स पॉलिटिकल क्रिटिक्स, sports critics or film critics, all are talking about it. Sir, what would you like to say about the praise you are getting?
I mean, thanks to everyone. I mean, we are very humble.
No. Previously, you guys were behind the scenes and underdog.
Yeah, that is.
You were unsung. Okay.
He's not used to the praises.
But right now you are getting praises.
Yeah.
Okay, वो किसी को भी प्रेज जा रहा हो, चाहे वो ऋषभ शेट्टी को जा रहा हो या फिर किसी को भी जा रहा हो, ओके, लेकिन उसको आपने ही किया है, तो बताएं.
At least, I mean, I don't know what do they think about it. For me, it's always making sure that the director's vision is coming to the picture, right? For me, I always believe that I'm just part of a bigger dream, bigger vision, right? And then the type of energy, the type of happiness that we get when the movie goes successful, right? And then the director feel like, oh yeah, you know, I achieved what I dreamed, what was my vision, right? So that way I think, yeah, this is absolutely a magical moment for all of us, especially during this whole project. We were fortunate enough to directly work with Rishabh sir and then the DOP, right? Because our reviews were conducted directly with him. So it was mostly we directly showing him and then making sure that he kind of likes it or he has his suggestions and feedbacks. So the overall journey was really beautiful, right? So we knew that he's liking it because the first time when we showed him, the response was good, especially after starting Zebu. It was very important for us to show the tiger first because tiger was the most important character for him. So it was really, really important for us to make sure that he likes it because like I said earlier, it was originally done in one of those biggest studio, and then when we had to recreate that back in our studio, it was very, very important for us to make sure that the director likes it, right? So we were all like in a such a pressure to make sure that, you know, within the first month itself we have to show the first render, which is a picture, a 360 180 degree of that character, to make sure that he likes it.
From the each and every perspective,
Yeah.
Walking to jumping,
yeah, pretty much all type
everything.
of setup, right? So
the texture, the gesture,
the
posture.
shader, the
Yeah.
groom, the way it reacts, the way the shaders react, the way that the animation works. So it was very, very difficult, to be honest, because like I said, recreating the legacy which was built in a huge company, recreating it over here and then making sure that the director is not able to find any difference. See, that's the most important thing, right? Because he already liked it, he wanted what he wanted, he got what he wanted, and then he was quite happy with what he wanted. So it was very, very exciting and challenging to make sure that the tiger goes well, right? So that way I think for us it was very, very exciting from the day first, just not only because of the work that we were doing, because it was more challenging for us every day, right? Because we had to make sure that someone like Rishabh sir is liking what we are doing and stuff like that. So I think overall it's a magical moment. It's a wow factor, whatever that we have done so far. And every time when we get to hear such feedbacks, because there's a lot of friends and family members are reaching out, like you exactly mentioned, most of the time we don't get this kind of credits because we work in the back end, right? Be it Lion King, be it Transformers, a lot of movies that we worked, right? I was the first Lion King and Jungle Book, I was the asset supervisor.
Oh.
And the last one, he was the asset supervisor, and he was the comm supervisor for both Transformers and Lion King. So not necessarily people get to hear things like this, right? Or we don't necessarily talk about it because one after one we are getting into new projects, we are busy doing things. So I think it's very rare that we kind of get celebrated this way. So thank you so much for people like you to kind of come and appreciate what we are doing and then recognizing us. Yeah.
Yeah. You know, honesty and hard work cannot be unnoticed. और पता है ये बात किसने बोला था? रॉकिंग स्टार यश ने बोला था मुझे बोला था ऑनेस्टी और हार्ड वर्क है ना अननोटिस नहीं होता है और ये कभी ना कभी सामने आता ही है. अभी मैं ये भी पूछना चाहूँगा व्हेन यू गाइज आर वर्किंग फॉर हॉलीवुड बिग प्रोजेक्ट्स, गुड
मतलब आप ही कर रहे हो, आप इंडिया, आप मेट्रो पकड़ के घर जा रहे हो आप यहाँ पे ही रह के, हाँ भीड़ भाड़ में ट्रैफिक में, हाँ लेकिन बना रहे हो वहाँ की इंटरनेशनल ऑडियंस के लिए जो एकदम मस्त में न्यूयॉर्क में बैठा हुआ है पिक्चर देखेगा आराम से। ओके, तो एज एन इंडियन आपका क्या पर्सपेक्टिव था इंडियन सिनेमा को लेकर तब, और अब क्योंकि आप खुद डोमेस्टिक प्रोजेक्ट्स के पार्ट बन गए हो, तो अब आपका क्या पर्सपेक्टिव है इंडियन सिनेमा को लेकर फ्यूचर को देखते हुए?
I'm very, very personally excited. I mean, for me, what I feel today, we have the right tools, we have the right talent, we have the right facility in order to create what was originally created for a Hollywood movie, right? Which wasn't easy earlier. I mean, if you really ask me, the time when we all started our career in India, not necessarily we were able to do this kind of high-end VFX out of India because we did not have the right tools, we did not have the right experience and whatnot. But then today, with so many years of experience, we managed to do what exactly that is required as a Hollywood standard, right? So which means now the Indian directors, Indian producers, they can reach out to a studio like us. Like Nimish said, when MPC shut, there's about 2,000 artists. They've been to different studios.
We were
probably
so worried about our
Yeah.
Indian artists when it was shut.
Yeah.
But I am pretty much optimistic about our own Indian VFX industry because you guys are doing such kind of initiative. I'm damn sure आप जितना ज़्यादा आप आगे आप enhance करोगे, आप expand करोगे ना, हमारे वापस artists के लिए एक opportunity create होगी यार।
exactly.
That is the target to do. Yeah, that is obviously the target to do, to try and again the standard and thing for India will enhance once people start seeing movies like Kantara, right? Kind of budgets they had. So obviously VFX is not a cheap process, right? For getting that kind of quality, it does take time, effort, which obviously translates to a budget. So hopefully producers do wake up, and start spending that kind of money for seeing this kind of visuals. So that is a hope that after movies like
एक क्लैरिटी के साथ आप इस बात को एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि बहुत सारे प्रोड्यूसर्स ऐसे हैं ना, अरे पैसा लगा दो ना, ऐसा ऐसा दिखा दो, ऐसा कर दो। क्यों ज़रूरी है वो इन्वेस्टमेंट, क्यों ज़रूरी है? एक अपर वे में जो लेयर होता है उसके हिसाब से आप मुझे समझाने की कोशिश करो।
So VFX, good VFX is basically when people do not notice there's VFX in it, right? It has to be unseen. So like you see the tiger or something in Kantara, right? It looks realistic. To get that realism, correct, is what VFX helps in. So that kind of budgets would need to be spent on getting that realism, right? So I mean, you can do, there are a lot of movies in India you must have seen, right? There are tigers, there are other creatures, which obviously you can make out that it's CG, correct? So if producers and the thing, everyone feels that this is okay, this can be passed, then yeah, I mean, you don't need that kind of budgets. But you have other directors, producers in India, right, especially in the south, and they're developing up in Bollywood as well, who want good kind of VFX happening. So yeah, I mean, the directors now also becoming very knowledgeable on what good VFX is, right, especially
Northern side, Bollywood.
Bollywood, yeah. South obviously they are more technical, more advanced out, but yeah, Bollywood as well is obviously going towards that now, right? I'm working with current directors as well in Bollywood who have that vision, who can spend that kind of money for good VFX. So hopefully now, since there are so many artists available in all companies, right, who are doing good work, right, hopefully they'll see that and start increasing the budgets for good VFX at least. So that's a hope for sure.
I see. यानी कि एक हिसाब से एक प्रॉपर VFX आपको देखना है, जो रियलिज्म होता है उसे आपको देखना है, तो उसके लिए एक सर्टेन अमाउंट का टैलेंट, टेक्नोलॉजी, हर चीज़ लगता है, टाइम लगता है, क्रिएटिविटी लगती है, तो उसके लिए एक इन्वेस्टमेंट बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, क्योंकि वो इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं हो पाएगा तो क्वालिटी नहीं निकल कर आएगा, राइट? तो ये प्रोड्यूसर को समझना ज़रूरी है। तो गाइस, मैं आपको बता दूँ, जो कांतारा चैप्टर 1 में आपने जो क्लैरिटी आपने देखी है, जो रियलिज़म या फिर एक्साइटमेंट जो आपको देखकर मिल रहा है ना, वो नतीजा है गुड इन्वेस्टमेंट का जो VFX पर किया गया है हुम्बाड़े के द्वारा, ठीक है? सो आप तो पूरा का पूरा चीज़ों को एक्यूमुलेट करते हैं, आप ज़रा और कुछ क्लैरिटी दें ये यहाँ पर इस प्रोसेस के बारे में।
Yeah. So I work with most of the departments, CG departments, so they give us layers, like one part, they give us the parts, okay? So we combine all of those parts, we refine it and make it look like a photograph, actually. When you click a photograph in your mobile phone, how the picturization is going to be. So that's what we give you guys, that's what we give to the audience, actually. So that is our job. So to get that realism is my job, to get my team do that, actually.
And here we can see the realism. Rishabh Shetty is there. He is standing or fighting with Loris. वो जो चूहा होता है ना, वो बड़ा चूहा होता है guys. Loris बोलते हैं ना उसको.
हाँ, Loris.
So
Card
Loris-
Papa. In Canada,
okay.
Card Papa we call it.
Okay. वो जिस हिसाब से ऋषभ शेट्टी इज स्ट्रगलिंग एंड उसी सीक्वेंस में टाइगर का भी आना होता है एंड वो कुछ अलग था, उसको आपने कैसे एग्जीक्यूट किया?
Yeah, it's very complex steps actually for each department. It's not just my department, it's even assets, every department's when you bifurcate it, so every department has to work on the process, from modeling, layout, from look development, texturing, skinning, animation, rendering, lighting, and then it comes to us. So that when I combine all that, that's not that easy. Like when I combine it, I can't just straightly achieve it. So it takes a lot of process behind it. So it takes a bit of time to achieve that, to make all the public believe that it's been shot in one camera. So that is what
ऐसा
I'm
लग रहा था, ऐसा लग रहा था. Yes,
Yeah,
Nimish.
what he's saying is important is it should look like it's shot in camera, right? It shouldn't look like it's layered, right? Like a VFX layer should not be looking on top of it. So that is what his team is extremely.
So
Please.
in the climax, the action sequences that you see there.
क्लाइमेक्स की बात कर रहे हैं.
Yeah. So
पहले गूज़बम्प आने दीजिए अच्छे से. हाँ,
So I think-
अभी आ गया.
one of the most difficult thing was to achieve that super slow shots, the slow motions to 40 fps shots. So if you see the way the tiger is reacting to the speed, the simulation on the fur, the simulation on the muscle system, these are things that you need.
Attitude we have seen.
So the animation, the character that is required.
Expression and attitude.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
that was
Animal
one.
में, हाँ, एनिमल में वो दिखता नहीं है ये एटीट्यूड और रिएक्शन जो होता है, वो भी
Yeah.
आपने मेंटेन किया, एक्सप्रेशंस.
Yeah. So be it the expression, be it the simulation on the fur and in the skin and the muscles. I think those are some of our favorite shots internally because it's very challenging to achieve that kind of a realism, especially when you have a lot of technicality that is involved in that specific sequence. So yeah, I think every department
Every
had to
आपके
work together.
डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ मैं जाना चाहूँगा, जैसे इन्होंने कहा कि वो जो टेक्सचर होता है, जो रॉ होता है, वो आप वहाँ से क्रिएट करते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पर जो मान लो स्पेसिफिकली मैं टाइगर की बात करूँ तो टाइगर इज़ रिलेटेड टू द डिविनिटी, द गॉड, और उसका एक अलग ही वो होगा, ऑरा होगा, हर चीज़ होगा. उसको आपने कैसे बनाया, कैसे मतलब बोन से लेकर स्किन से लेकर मसल्स, हर चीज़ वो कैसे?
So there are so many people who are involved in this process. Okay, there are so many departments as well, starting from modeling, the basic structure, the model, textures, shading, then rigging, that means putting the skeletons, having the muscles, animation. There are so many people involved, so many departments involved. And it was really challenging to get that realism. At one point we had just a couple of months to deliver this asset, the tiger asset, and with that kind of a realism. And every day, throughout the day, we were looking at the tiger and trying to find out what is not working, what is not making it realistic. Okay, so we are dreaming tiger. Throughout the day we were watching closely. Okay, this muscle is not working. Okay, let's try this way. Okay, this texture is not looking that much realistic. We checked multiple references. How realism, what all things are missing here. Okay, so it was a very difficult, challenging, but at the same time, when we got the output, it was just satisfying. When we got the praise from Rishabh sir, right? It was really fulfilling for us.
Whenever you show the final stuff, और जब ऋषभ सर का क्या मिलता था, क्या उनका एक्सप्रेशन मैं जानना चाहूँगा. इज़ अ ग्रेट फिल्म मेकर, डायरेक्टर, राइटर, तो उसका तो उनका एक अलग ही आएगा. तो उनका कोई फीडबैक कुछ आता था, कुछ बोलते थे गुड जॉब, इतना ही बोलते थे, क्या बोलते थे?
On this, he's such a chilled out person. I never seen such a director. ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರದವ್ರನ್ನ. ಏನು ಮಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್. ಯಾ 100%. ವೆರಿ ಕೊಲಾಬ್ರೇಟಿವ್. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ. ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
But he exactly know what he requires.
ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್.
What he wants is very clear.
He's very
That's
clear,
why- that's why.
crystal clear. Everything is well planned. I mean, the process that we went through with Jatin, our VFX supervisor, and DOP was also really helpful. So everybody is super clear what is required in this
सिर्फ
movie.
इतना ही नहीं, आई हर्ड कि आपकी टीम से कोई एक सुपरवाइजर था जो सेट पर भी मौजूद था. जतिन VFX सुपरवाइजर जो वहाँ पर था.
Yes.
So Jatin is also
Sorry.
co-founder with me and Shankar of
Okay.
Zebu FX. So Jatin was on the shoot with Rishabh sir and Arvind from the DOP. So he was always on the shoot for the animal sequence especially. So he was mostly on the shoot for those.
अमेजिंग. सो गाइस, जिस तरह से फिल्म जो आप पसंद कर रहे हो ना, मैं आपको बता दूं, ये एक शुरुआत है गाइस. ये कितना 5 दिन ही हुआ ना पिक्चर को रिलीज़ हुए. ये एक शुरुआत है, और जिस हिसाब से इसका वर्ड ऑफ माउथ स्प्रेड हो रहा है ना, ये लंबी रेस का घोड़ा है ये जो फिल्म है. ठीक है, लंबी रेस का घोड़ा है, और इसके ज़रिए अब इस फिल्म के साथ ना कुछ अलग किस्म के इंडियन सिनेमा है ना हमारे सामने पेश होने वाली. हम जो सिनेफाइल है ना यही चाहते हैं. ठीक है, और उसको सही जस्टिफाई करने के लिए हमारे जो टैलेंट्स हैं ना, जो VFX का जो काम करते हैं, उनका बहुत ही बड़ा योगदान है. सो आई एम प्रेटी श्योर एंड आई थिंक अभी हमारा जो डोमेस्टिक जो सिनेमा है वो अभी सही हाथों में जा सकता है, जाने वाला है. और मेंटालिटी भी जो है, प्रोड्यूसर्स की आप जो बात कर रहे हैं, फिल्म मेकर्स की जो बात कर रहे हैं, दे आर लुकिंग फॉर इट. मतलब उनका एक जा रहा है, ध्यान जा रहा है उस तरफ. तो फाइनल कमेंट्स आप सभी से मैं जानना चाहूँगा, पूछना चाहूँगा, समझना चाहूँगा कि VFX के जो है ना न्यू कमर्स होंगे, जो आर्टिस्ट होंगे ना, वो भी आपको देख रहे होंगे. स्पेशली सिनेफाइल्स तो देख ही रहे हैं. उस पर्सपेक्टिव से बताइए, लोगों को बताइए कि अब क्या हमें होप करना चाहिए, कितना हमें ऑप्टिमिस्टिक होना है, और क्या क्या चीज़ें हो सकती हैं. उस पर्सपेक्टिव से मैं फाइनल कमेंट्स आपसे जानना चाहूँगा.
It's a great industry to be in, and at this time especially because a lot of startup studios plus a lot of established studios are also hiring a lot. So it's a very good time to be in this industry, especially for the students whoever are still learning and stuff. It is a lot of hard work to be in this industry, so it's not a place to think that you'll come chill out and everything, because it is a lot of hard work by the end of it. But once you are in it, you'll really enjoy what you do. Trust me, this is the best field to be in as a VFX artist or 3D animator.
प्लीज़ आप कुछ थोड़ा और इलाबोरेट करना चाहेंगे?
Yeah. For students, no, don't fear AI. AI, make it your friend. So it helps you a lot. Don't get like when somebody is doing AI, it doesn't mean that everything will be in AI generated. It can't. Use it as a tool, as a friend, and try to implement those, replicate it in your studies and everything. Definitely a wonderful creative industry this is. You will learn a lot. Yeah.
प्लीज़ आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
What I would say is, especially Indian VFX, I do feel that Indian VFX will have a huge, great future ahead. Because now gradually the filmmakers feel that they can use VFX to enhance their storytelling. I mean, India do have the talent, do have the infrastructure to deliver whatever they're thinking of, whatever their concept is. So there is a huge possibility in Indian cinema. And for the students, what I would say is, don't focus on learning the tool, focus on the art. Because if you have the right eye, if you have the right knowledge that what needed to be done, if you know what needed to be done, learning the tools it's easier. So watch the movies, watch the VFX closer, try to understand what are the aesthetics behind those. So if you focus more on the aesthetics initially, learning the tool is easy.
स्पेशली ये एल्गोरिदम भी है तो चेंज होते रहते हैं, तो आपने आज आपने टूल सीख लिया है, क्या पता कल वो टूल चेंज हो जाए.
Exactly.
तो मेन आप जो बोल रहे हैं वो ज़रूरी है, जो नॉलेज होता है, जो आर्ट का नॉलेज होता है, जो क्रिएटिविटी का जो नॉलेज होता है.
Focus on art, focus on the aesthetic side of things, because softwares are going to change. Maybe AI is going to take a huge part of the creation process. But if you know what need to be done, you can create with whatever tools you have.
ओके शंकर, पहले तो मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहूँगा, इंडिया में आपने कौन से ऐसे बड़े प्रोजेक्ट किए हैं वो थोड़ा बता दीजिए, और सेम चीज़ को आप थोड़ा एलाबोरेट कीजिए.
I think in India the biggest projects would be this one, Kantara.
ये तो है. मैंने सुना है आप लोगों ने, आपकी टीम ने हमारे राजा मौली साहब की
Triple R, yeah. So Triple R, the tiger sequence, which is again the introduction sequence for Mr. and Junior NTR. Yeah. So that was again done by the same team back in MPC. I think, and then Poachers, one of the episodic that was Richie's Mehta's Poachers.
Series Poachers.
Okay, Poachers.
Yeah.
It's done by the MPC team as well.
And Leo, again. Vijay's Leo movie, Leo. Yeah. The hyena sequence.
Hyena sequence.
Yeah.
So Jatin was part of the
Jatin was the VFX soup.
Leo and for Poachers as well. So he was part of that as well.
Yeah.
इतना इजीली आप लोग बता रहे हो, लेकिन आपको बताऊँ तलपति के जो फैंस हैं ना वो पागल हो जाएंगे कि आपने बनाया है क्या.
Yeah.
और एनटीआर के फैंस भी खुश होंगे कि आप लोगों ने इतना ज़्यादा जस्टिफाई किया उस सीन को, और यहाँ पर तो यार पूरी इंडियन सिनेमा जो है, इंडियन सिनेफाइल्स जो है खुश है. तो अभी आपके पर्सपेक्टिव से मैं जानना चाहूँगा, जो भी हमारे सिनेफाइल्स हैं अब वो कितना कंफर्टेबल अब हो सकते हैं हमारी इंडियन सिनेमा को लेकर, क्योंकि कांतारा चैप्टर से अब उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशन अब बढ़ गई है. ठीक है, वो एक नया बेंचमार्क सेट कर चुकी है, अब उसे मेंटेन करना इज अ चैलेंज. तो उस चैलेंज को आपकी टीम और जो भी एक इन्वायरमेंट एटमॉस्फेयर क्रिएट होगा हमारे सिनेमा में, डोमेस्टिक मार्केट में, उसे आप कैसे देख रहे हैं?
I mean, it's a huge responsibility now, if you really ask me. Because like you said, I think it's setting up a benchmark in the Indian movie industry, right? So it's very important for people like us to make sure that we use the most advanced technologies. And then, like he said, at the end of the day, the craft, the aesthetic behind everything is absolutely crucial, right? So every single day, we all have to manage our eyes, right? We have to tune your brain, you have to tune your eyes. I mean, of course, if you really ask me, while I was in MPC, I was more of this guy. I was just doing the managerial stuff. But then here in Zebu, even every single day, I'm trying to work with every single one of them to make sure that even my eyes are getting tuned as much as that I can. So that, every time when we all sit together and look at something, we understand that's the best that we could deliver, right? So that way, I think there is no shortcuts. There is no compromise. Every single one of us, whoever is there in this industry as of today working for the Indian movie, people understand VFX, people understand high quality work, so people can't take it easy. Because I see a lot of good contents that is coming out of India, and then the same time, people doing very, amateur contents and stuff like that, right? So I think as long as the audience understand what is high quality work, it's absolutely important for everybody in this industry to keep up with their craft, their technology, their motivation levels. So even for, like you asked, the young generation who wants to come to this industry, the only one thing that I wanted to say, like he said, it's a very complicated, hard-working area, right? So they have to have the passion, they have to have the dedication in order to make sure that they reach where they're supposed to reach. Yeah.
और जीवो एफएक्स को अगर किसी को ज्वाइन करना हो तो क्या किया जाए, निमिष?
You can get in touch with us on our LinkedIn page, Zebu FX, and we will get back to you on. Do send your show reels and everything, and then for sure the creators will look at it and then get back to you guys. But yeah, it's an interesting time, and thank you for having us.
Definitely, it's my pleasure. And आपको मैं बता दूं दोस्तों, जो क्राफ्ट होता है ना, किस तरह क्रिएट किया गया है, कैसे बनाए गए हैं, कितनी मेहनत लगी है। वो जो रॉ फाइल्स हैं ना, मैंने सब देखे हुए हैं, सारी की सारी मैंने देखे हुए हैं। फ़िलहाल हम उसे डिस्क्लोज़ नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि अभी ये फ़िल्म हमारे सिनेमाघरों में चल रही है। जब ये थिएट्रिकल रन इसका ख़त्म हो जाएगा तब कोशिश ये रहेगी कि मैं इनसे वापस कांटेक्ट करूं और आपको दिखाऊं कितनी मेहनत लगी है। ओके, और मेरी ये भी कोशिश ये रहेगी, स्पेशली सिनेफाइल्स तो ठीक है, सिनेफाइल्स के पर्सपेक्टिव से भी और जो हमारे न्यू टैलेंट्स हैं उनके पर्सपेक्टिव से भी, कि यार सिनेफाइल्स को अच्छी पिक्चर, अच्छी क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए, तो प्रोड्यूसर्स थोड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट पर ध्यान दीजिए और फिल्म को लेकर आप सीरियस रहिए। और एट द सेम टाइम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूसर अगर इनके पास आएंगे, इनका वर्कलोड बढ़ेगा, वर्कलोड बढ़ा तो टैलेंट इनके पास आएंगे और भी ज़्यादा आप हायरिंग करेंगे निमेश।
Yeah, surely. Looking to expand for sure.
या सो गाइस, ये पूरा कन्वर्सेशन स्पेसिफिकली VFX को मैंने डेडिकेट किया है। VFX जो हमारे इंडियन मार्केट में जिस हिसाब से एक रिवोल्यूशन का काम कर रही है और एक हिसाब से कहूँगा कि गेम चेंजिंग वाला ये जो है सिनेरियो हमारे सामने आया है 2025। आप याद रखिए, यहाँ से हमारी भारतीय सिनेमा कुछ अलग मुकाम पर जाने वाली है। सोचिए, कन्नड़ा सिनेमा से, कन्नड़ा सर्किट से ये चीज़ शुरुआत हुई है। हमारे पास कितनी सारी बड़ी बड़ी इंडस्ट्रीज़ हैं और कितना बड़ा मार्केट है, कितनी बड़ी ऑडियंस बेस है। अगर हम इन चीज़ों पर ज़्यादा ध्यान देंगे तो सोचो कितना अच्छा ऑडियंस पूल आ सकता है। तो उस पर फोकस करना ज़रूरी रहेगा और मेरी भी कोशिश ये रहेगी जो हम इंथुजियाज़म को कवर करते हैं ना, वो प्रॉपर तरीके से ट्रांसलेट हो और रियलिटी में कन्वर्ट हो। तो गाइस, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस पूरे कन्वर्सेशन को लेकर, VFX को लेकर जो मेहनत की गई है और हमारे इस ग्रुप के टैलेंट्स ने जिस हिसाब से इंटरनेशनल प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए हैं, उस पर भी आपका क्या मानना है? कांतारा चैप्टर 1 के सक्सेस पर आपका क्या कहना है? ज़रूर बताएं हमारे कमेंट सेक्शन पर और देखते रहें आपका अपना चैनल फिल्मी फीवर। दिस इज रवि गुप्ता साइनिंग ऑफ विद द ग्रेट talents of our VFX industry.
Thank you.